In this video, we will be replacing the antenna mast on a 1988 to 1994 Chevy truck, or 1980 whatever to at least a 2001 GMC TopKick. So you do not have to take the dash apart like we just did. So here's the radio, and like me, you probably think the antenna clips into the back of it. It doesn't. Down here underneath, there's this little panel that, let's see if I can back up so you can see it. Goes on just like that. 3 screws on the bottom. Take that off. And then if you look inside of here, right here is your antenna. And there's it's got like an extension on it. Right there is where it plugs in. So all you have to do is remove this little access panel. And then we're going to unhook it from there, tie a wire to it, hopefully pull it all the way through the dash and out. And we'll continue from there. Yeah, pull out the inner glove box. It's 7mm. Here's the antenna zip tied behind the glove box. So as I cut that zip tie, alright, give her a tug now and see if it moves. Nothing yet. Also a 7mm right there that you gotta take apart. Alright, so I've unhooked the antenna from the radio side, which is like right here. You'll see it. And then I don't actually know if you need to do this for this one, but I'm going to, and that's take a roll of regular wire and attach it like so. Zip ties or whatever. So that way when we pull this old antenna wire through, this wire will follow the same path, and then you hook the new antenna wire to this one and pull it back through the dash. So that's what we're going to do now. Alright, so we've got our little wire attached, and now we're going to pull it slowly back through the dash. Got it all the way out here, and now we'll feed the new one down through here first. Make sure you do that. It has to go down in here, and then you feed it to this wire. Alright, so we're feeding it back through now. Alright, Grayson, you go ahead and push on that, and I'll pull on this side. Alright. This is the hardest area right here. As soon as we get it past this, it goes.
Is getting stuck?
Yeah. There, I got it. Alright. You keep doing that, and I'll go up and feed it through the rest of it. And that's all there is to it. And plugged it back in. Zip tied in a few spots to hold it. And put the inner glove box back together and throw that cover back on, and easy peasy. One of the easier ones I've done, actually.